Hi, Big Box. I see you on Amazon, but are you the brand that customers click or the one they skip? Let's take a closer look for your product, which is the 100 disposable razors. First, congrats on your Amazon's Choice badge. I know how tricky Amazon's policies can be, so achieving this is a job well done. I'm Kim. I'm a business development representative from My Amazon Guy, and in this video, I'll be covering tips to improve your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. First, let's talk about traffic. What really drives traffic to your listings comes down to your keywords. Using our tool and looking at your distribution here, I could see you are organically banking for 100 keywords, and you are supporting that with around 34 paid keywords. This can still be improved as there are actually thousands of additional keywords that you could be indexing here. We also recommend the golden ratio of 1 is to 2 here, which is 1 paid for every 2 organic to index more better. You can also check out this word cloud here. These are the most important keyword for your listing. And down here, you will find your highest search keyword in your own category. Right now, we're looking at the biggest traffic opportunities for your product. For this keyword phrase, which is disposable razors for men with 14,000 searches, you are organically ranking here at 101. What this means is that customers have to scroll through over 101 listings plus sponsored ads before they can find your product. And this is limiting your exposure here because you're buried deep in the search results. For this other keyword phrase, which is disposable razor with 3,000 searches, you are bidding on this keyword. Good job on that. However, this is still a double digit rank. We want a single digit rank for a paid keyword because this is still limiting your exposure here. Now, for this other keyword phrase, which is shaving razor with 12,000 searches, you are not indexing here. What this means is that whenever a customer searches for this keyword phrase, you are not being seen here at all. And this is such a missed opportunity for you because imagine the increase in sales if customers can find you using the keyword phrase right over here. Now, we can help you with your keywords here. We can help you push these rankings up as well, ideally into a single digit number because that is where buyers click and that is where the sales happen. Now, let me show you how big your category is in Amazon. This is just in the top 50 listing for one keyword phrase, which is razors bulk. And as you can see, there is a total revenue of $5 million dollars per month, and top sellers are averaging around $92,000 per month. Now, looking at yours over here, I can see that you are not getting your fair share here. There's still plenty of market share that you could tap into, and we can help grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click through rates. Now, for this keyword phrase, you can see here that you are not appearing on the first page because, again, you are buried deep in the search results of this keyword phrase, probably in the second and third tab. Now, for this other product, I actually reviewed one of the listings of your top competitors, which is the McKesson disposable razors. And just a disclaimer, we are not comparing products here. I know that there are differences when it comes to price and positioning. What we're reviewing here is their keyword strategy. So they sold over 3,000 units and have generated $66,000 in sales. The difference comes down to their visibility, and looking at their distribution, you will find that they are indexing for a much higher amount of keywords. This is the reason why they had a very good outcome in Amazon. As you can see, the more keywords that you use equals the more visibility that you have in Amazon, and ultimately more sales for your product. Now, moving on to your product detail page, the look of your page will strongly affect your conversion rate. I can see that your title is a fit already for Amazon's new changes, which is a maximum of 75 characters for the title. All you have to do is to maintain it this way. And then for your bullet points and title, don't forget to update them regularly as SEOs are not set and forget. Your image tag, you do have your 7 images. You could also add 6 images plus one video to improve your listings visibility. Let's go down here below to your A plus content. Okay, you don't have one, so let me show you a good example of one. This is the Age of Sage. This is a product of our founder, Stephen Pope. And as you can see, they use large eye-catching images here with descriptions. They also added some clickable links to help engage with the customers. And then down here, you will find their brand story. You could also take advantage of adding your own brand story. This one will help with your brand awareness. You could just tell them how you got started, what makes your product unique, and why you love what you are doing. Doing all this will help get your listing get more visibility with Amazon's algorithm. And those are just a few tips that I can share with you for today. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to book a free consultation using the book a call button at the end of the video, and you'll get to speak with an Amazon expert. My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. So, whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data back driven strategies that deliver real results for you.